To fix syncing issues in Rocket Money, start by checking your account connections. Ensure that all your accounts are linked correctly and that there are no errors or disconnections. If you find any issues, try reconnecting the accounts or updating the login credentials. Next, verify that the accounts are syncing properly by checking the last sync date and time. If an account has not synced recently, try manually syncing it or restarting the syncing process. Another common cause of syncing issues is incomplete or inaccurate transaction data. Check your transactions for any errors or discrepancies and ensure that all transactions are accounted for. You can do this by reviewing your transaction history and comparing it to your bank or credit card statements. Rocket Money also relies on stable internet connectivity to sync your accounts. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. If you are using a mobile device, try switching to a different network or connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Additionally, check for any Rocket Money app updates and install the latest version. Outdated apps can cause syncing issues, so keeping your app up to date is essential. You can check for updates in the App Store or by visiting the Rocket Money website. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try resetting the Rocket Money app or contacting customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide personalized guidance to resolve the problem. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to resolve syncing issues in Rocket Money and ensure that your accounts are up to date and accurate. Remember to regularly review your account connections and transaction data to prevent future syncing issues.